Hello audience, today we're playing Happy Wheels. This time I have, Sam. Yeah! Let's go on. Let's see, what should we play today? Let's try The Office. Ooh, it's Steve. Johnny Game came over. Let's go. Are we typing? Let's type, Steve. Oh, that's me in the 80s. Yeah. Whoa! Oh, that's nasty. Okay. Let's retry this. Don't wait. Go. Let's go. Go, Steve. Whoa. I am not gonna touch you, phone. Dude, on steroids. Oh! Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Alright. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh! Steve! Oh no! Oh, hey! Whoa. That. Wait, what's that thing? Stop! Don't feed. Ah! Whoa. Alright, yay! Off the cheese. Yeah. Whoa! What is it? No, please, go away. I'm not a fan of big feet when I'm a small person. Aha! Yay! I'm gonna use controller to observe. Oh yeah! Pokemon training, yeah! Old man, I choose you! Okay. Oh! Sorry. Whoa! Oh! Please let me out! I'm claustrophobic. Oh yeah, who's got ninja skills? Oh man! Let's go. Whoa! Yeah. Oh, it's my. Come on! Rip my arm off! Come on! Come on! Woohoo! I did it! Yeah! Whoa. Please! Come on! I'm not that flexible, aren't I? Alright, let's try it with Bill Gates. I'm using the China game names. I like them. You suck! Oh, he didn't die. No. Okay, yes he did. Control. Yeah, oh! I almost broke my foot on that. Whoa, wait! Oh, I suspected that. Look at my leg just trailed behind me. Jigglypuff's coming. Oh, no. Please, no. Oh! Oh, God! Gorillas Revolution! Wait, Gorillas Revolution! Let's be him. I like him. Segway guy. I shall create the Gorilla Paradise. Where am I? Whoa, ha. Whoa. Hey, I'm at an airport. It was just another ordinary day when it happened. Little did we know the world was about to be changed forever. What? Say that again? Miss an airplane? Oh, fat guy. Alright, let's go. Delayed. What? Emergency! Oh no! What's going on? Oh! So that's what's going on, Alright, let's restart that. Come on. Can we please go? Yes. Woohoo! Okay, let's relive this. It was just another day when it happened. Little did we know life was about to. What? Missing airplane. Oh! Sorry, fatty. Delayed. Emergency! 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 Oh, really? Push me back? You're a jerk, Mr. Door. Haha! Woo! Oh! Psych, help me! What? Oh no! Oh no! I will. Whoa! No! No! I'm. Oh! What? What? Are you, don't poke me! Don't, you know what? Poke my dead leg. Poke that. I don't want to get crushed by him. Yeah, I'm gonna get crushed. Okay, let's go. Whoa! Hey! Hey! Would have been great to know. Look at my leg. Are we good? Slow down. What? Why? Ah! Come on! Come on! Oh! Oh! Jeez! Come on! What are you doing? Come on! No! Go! Oh! Whoa! Flat. Whee! Whoa! Is that? No, it's not going to. Oh, you're frozen. What? Go! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Ah! This was quite an adventure, actually. Thanks for the person who made this. It's fun. Unidentified nuclear warhead for New Yo CNN. Nan. Please get her near. What? Mojo! Oop. Yeah! What's going on? No, please, go. Wee! Oh! Don't stab me. Woohoo! Am I gonna do it? Oh! I have to do this. To be good. Oh! I dodged you, Statue of Liberty. Jeez, how long did that take me? Like a minute and 53 seconds? The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Alright, this will be our last map for today. Yeah, Santa and the I can't talk. Santa and the Chainsaw Texas Massacre. Go! Go! Ho ho ho! Ho ho ho! Ho ho ho! Go! Ho ho ho! Help friends or run away? Yeah, let's run away. Oh no! Oh no! Help Santa get out of the hole! Oh no! Oh no! I did it! Oh no! Oh no, where am I going? Let's be him. Help friends or run away. Run away. Leatherface caught up to you. Alright. Well. Why? I don't want to help my friends. Then I'll get like killed. Okay. Ha! Take that, Leatherface! You ridiculous. There. What? Leatherface did not catch up to me. It's kind of scary, Leatherface. Like, in Happy Wheels, that's a scary Leatherface. It's like, oh! Whoa. Hey, get me out. What is this? Hey! What? Alright, you guys, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. It will be really appreciated. And leave a comment down below, and I will keep recording this. And until then, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.